Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making rice milk that is used to treat a damaged hair and skin care. You have to thoroughly wash the rice in order to remove the dirty. I'm going to be washing the rice 2 times. After I must have drained out the water, I'm going to be soaking this rice for 3 hours before I start working on it. It is now 3 hours that I left the rice with water, so I'm going to be blending it now. Kindly add the rice and water into the blender and blend until smooth. With a chiffon cloth, strain to get the milk out. A good squeezing is also needed here in order for you to squeeze out the milk. Add some few drops of lavender oil, which is also optional. This rice milk is to be stored in a container and keep in the freezer or fridge. Rice milk is used for skin care. It will remove age spots and brighten the skin. You can also use rice milk to treat damaged hair. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.